RexPro. Today we're going to be using RexPro's revolutionary new countertop sealer to seal this beautiful quartzite countertop. It's a very simple and straightforward process whereby we apply 2 coats of RexPro's countertop sealer using a microfiber sponge, and then we buff it in lightly and gently with a microfiber towel. So let's get started. Of course, we want to start with a nice clean countertop, but as a last step before the application, we spray it down with isopropyl alcohol and wipe it off with a microfiber towel. This ensures that we remove any excess soap residue from the cleaning of the counter. Okay, now we'll begin by taking the microfiber sponge and the sealer. We'll pour a generous amount of the sealer directly to the sponge, and then we'll apply that to the countertop, going back and forth in a straight motion. It's important to do this application in small sections so that you can buff the application before it starts to set up and cure. So we do a few feet, come back, buff it in gently, and then move on to the next section. And then you repeat this process, ultimately doing 2 coats over the entire surface. And it's that simple. Keep the application process going until you've finished a full first coat. Return to where you started and do a second coat. After about 4 hours or so, the counter is ready for gentle use, but it's not fully protected just yet. That takes about 24 hours to fully cure out. So in the meantime, we recommend not putting things like your coffee pot or blenders or heavy items back on the countertop, and avoid things like red wine and the other culprits that usually wreak havoc on a kitchen countertop until that first 24 hours has had an opportunity to let the product fully cure. After that, you're good to go and you're protected. For more information, go to RexProSealers.com.